explain the meaning of differentiation. The differentiation is a fundamental concept in calculus that refers to the process of finding the derivative of functions. The derivative represents at the rate at which one the quantity changes with respect to another. In simple terms, it measures how a function output value changes as its input change. For example, if the derivative is this, tell us how y changes with respect to x. Is it often interpreted as the slope of the tangent line to the curve at a given point? Alright, there are many techniques of differentiation. One of it is constant rule, which is e dx equal to 0. And then the second one is power rule, which is e dx x power of n equal to nx power of n minus 1. And another technique is product rule, which is d dx equal to uv prime plus vu prime. Another one is quotient rule, which is d dx vu prime minus uv prime divided to v kuasa berapa? Power by 2. Ya ke? V square. And then change rule. And the last one is chain rule. And you guys can see here. Nampak?
For question number 2, find dy over dx for the following functions. For this question, we'll be using the chain rule formula. Question A, y equals to 3x squared sec x plus 2. So the first step, we're going to differentiate the function. First, focus on 3x squared. Differentiate 3x squared first. So 3 multiplied by power of x and power of x divided by 1. So you will get 6x. Next, sec x plus 2. For this function, we need to refer to the chain rule formula. So for sec, we're going to do this formula. Now we're going to substitute the function into the formula. So we will get sec x plus 2, then x plus 2 multiplied by 1. Where you get that 1, it's from differentiate of x plus 2. Now simplify as simple as you can, and you will get 6x sec x plus 2, then x plus 2. For question B, y equals to 4x plus 2 divided by cos x. First, you need to bring the cos x upward. So we will get 4x plus 2 multiplied with cos x powered of negative 1. So we need to differentiate the whole equation first. So negative 1 multiplied with 4x plus 2. And negative 1, power of negative 1 divided by 1. So you will get the new function is negative 4x minus 2 multiplied cos x powered of negative 2. Next, we need to differentiate 1 by 1, which is negative 4x. Differentiate and you get negative 4. Negative 2 differentiate, you get 0. And cos x power of 2, we need to use the chain rule formula. So this is the formula. Next, substitute the function into the formula, and you will get negative 4 multiplied negative sine x power of 2 and power of negative 2 multiplied with 1, which is the differentiate of the x from the inside of the bracket. And then you will get negative 4 over sine 2x, which is the final answer.
I am going to explain about question number 3. which is differentiation with using the implicit differentiation method. The question is y ln 3x minus exponent the power of 2x plus 1 minus tan 4y equal to 0. So in this case, I divide the equation into 3 terms, which is first term is y ln 3x. Sorry, the second term is exponent the power of 2x plus 1, and the third term is tan 4y. So for the first term, which is y ln 3x, I will use product rule, which is u prime times v plus u times v prime. So u equal to y and u prime equal to dy dx, v equal to ln 3x, and v prime equal to 1 over x. The result is dy dx ln 3x plus y minus 1 over x. So we move to the second term, which is this time we use chain rule. So d dx exponent to x plus 1 equal to exponent to x plus 1 times the differentiation of 2x plus 1. So the result is 2 exponent 2e the power of 2x plus 1. So that so we move to the third term, also using a chain rule. So the differentiate of tan 4y equal to secant square 4y times d over dy 4y equal to 4 secant square 4y times dy dx. So the answer is 4 secant square 4y times dy dx. So we need to combine all the terms together, which is the y ln 3x the differentiate derivative. Sorry. So we need to combine all the term. So the answer is dy dx ln 3x plus y minus x minus 2 exponential to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 4 secant square 4y times dy dx equal to 0. So we need to rearrange the equation that have dy dx move to the left, and then no dy dx to the right, and then we factorize dy dx. So we move the rest into the right. So you get dy dx. Dy dx equal to 2 exponential to x plus 1 minus y over x divide by ln 3x minus 4 secant square 4y.
Today I'm going to explain about question number 4, linear approximation. The question asks about to estimate the value of square root of 4, 80.99 minus 2 divided by square root 80.99 correct to 3 decimal places. First thing first, we must write down the formula for linear approximation first. The formula is fx equal to fx naught plus f inverse x naught times sx. So the x value is 80.99. We can get it from the question. For x naught, we must write down the nearest integer to the value of x. So in this case, I use 81. And then sx, we can get it by x minus x naught. So the value is negative 0.01. And then to get f inverse x, we must let x equals to 80.99. So we will get square root of 4x minus 2 divided by square root x. So we change it to the easiest form, so we can differentiate easily. After we differentiate it, the final answer will be 1 divided by 4 times square root of 4 x cubed plus 1 divided by square root of x cubed. And then finally, we can substitute the x naught into the f inverse formula. So we got all the things we needed to get the fx. So we just substitute it on the first equation that I did earlier. So we will get 2.778 minus 0.0001. So the final answer will be 2.778.